Good morning, children. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter N2 Exponents and Powers. So, let us see this chapter. A number repeatedly multiplied by itself is called a power or an exponential of the number. The number itself is called the base of the power. For example, 2 power 5. Here 2 is base and 5 is power, or it is also known as exponent or index. Now we will see the law of exponents. First law is a power minus x is equal to a by a power x. Whenever the power is given in the negative form, then it will be reciprocal. Reciprocal means its numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. What is the numerator here? A. And what is the denominator? 1. So it will become 1 upon this a will become the denominator and power will become positive. For example, 2 power minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 2 power 3. This power will become positive and this will reciprocate. There is no denominator, it means 1 is hidden. 1 will go upside and 2 will come downside and this power will become positive. Second law is a by b power x, that is equal to this x is for a also and b also, a power x and b power x. For example, 2 by 3 power 2, that is equal to 2 power 2 and 3 power 2. Third law is a power 0 is equal to 1. If the power is 0 of any base, its value will become 1. For example, 2 power 0, that is equal to 1. 10 power 0 is equal to 1. 100 power 0 is equal to 1. Fourth law is a in a power x into a power y. When bases are same and powers are different, in case of multiplication, we will take it a base as a common and power will add it, we will add their power. So it will be a into x plus y. For example, 2 power 2 into 2 power 3. Here bases are same, so we'll take it base as a common and their power should be added here. 2 plus 3, so 2 power 5. Fifth law is a power x into b power x is equal to a into b power x. In this law, their bases are different and powers are same. In that case, in case of multiplication, what we will do? We will multiply their base and power should be taken as a common. For example, 2 power 2 into 3 power 2. So here bases are different, so 2 into 3 and power should be taken as a common 2. So it will be 6 power 2, that is equal to 36. Sixth law is a power x divided by a power y is equal to a power x minus y. This law tells us that if their bases are same, in case of division, if the bases are same and powers are different, in that case we'll take it base as a common and power should be subtracted. For example, 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 2, that is equal to, here bases are same, so we'll take it base as a common and this power should be subtracted. 5 minus 2, that is 2 power 3. This will be our answer. Next, seventh law tells us a power x bracket close power y. If two powers are given, in one is inside the bracket, another is outside the bracket, in that case we'll take it a as a common and both this power will be multiplied x into y. For example, 2 power 2 bracket close power 3, that is equal to 2 power 2 into 3, which is equal to 2 power 6. Now dear students, we will start exercise. So this is the first question of this exercise. Evaluate each of the following power. Let us see. First question is 2 power minus 2, that is equal to, as I told you, when power is negative then we have to reciprocal them. It means its denominator will become numerator. Means what is the denominator? Nothing is given, so 1 is understood here. So 1 by 2 and power will become positive. 1 by 2 power 2, that is equal to 1 by 4 will be our answer. Third part is minus 4 power minus 3, that is equal to, again its power is negative, so we'll write down 1 by minus 4 power 3, which is equal to 1. If you will multiply 4 3 times, 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, and if you will multiply negative sign 3 times, then minus into minus plus and plus into minus minus. So 1 by minus 64, and we will transpose this negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. So the answer will be minus 1 by 64 will be our answer. Seventh part is minus 2 by 3 power minus 4. In this case, again its power is negative, so we'll reciprocal them. It means 3 by minus 2 power 4. This power will become positive. So if you will multiply 3 minus 3 4 times, it will become 81, and 2 4 times 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. This will be 81 by 16 will be our answer. Now let us see the next question number 2. Evaluate 2 power 2 into 2 power 3. As I told you, dear students, as I told you, when the bases are same and their powers are different, in that case what I told you, we will take it base as a common and power should be added in case of multiplication. So let us take this base as a common, and 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. So answer will be 2 power 5, which is equal to, if you will multiply 2 5 times, then 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32 will be our answer. Second part is 3 power minus 4 into 3 power 2, which is equal to, again its bases are same and powers are different. So let us write down base as a common, and minus 4 plus 2, which is equal to 3 power minus 2. This power is negative, so we will reciprocate them. It means 1 by 3 power 2, which is equal to 1 by 9 will be our answer. Seventh part is 1 by 2 bracket close power minus 2 into 1 by 2, again bracket close my power minus 3. Now let us see how we'll solve this question. Both the bases have negative power, so first we'll reciprocate them. Or see, both the bases are same, so let us take their bases as a common 1 by 2, and now we will add their power minus 2 plus minus 3. So 1 by 2, when you will simplify this bracket, plus into minus, it will be minus. So minus 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 5. So 1 by 2 power minus 5. This power is negative, so we will reciprocate them. It means 2 will go become the numerator and 1 will become the denominator. So it will be 2 power 5, that is equal to 32. Now 10th part is 1 by 2 bracket close minus power minus 2 bracket close and power 2. There are two powers. As I told you, when there are two powers, then what we have to do? We have to multiply both these powers. So that is equal to 1 by 2. 2 into 2, that is equal to 4, and minus into plus minus. 1 by 2 power minus 4. Power is negative, so we will reciprocate them. It means 2 by 1 power 4, which is equal to 16 will be our answer. Now we will see question number 3. Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. We have to give our answer in power notation. Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponents. So let us see, dear students. First question is minus 4 power 2 divided by minus 4 power 3. As I told you, when bases are same, in case of division, we will subtract their power. So we'll take it this base as a common minus 4, and 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 4 power minus 1. This power is in negative form, so it will be reciprocated. So 1 by minus 4, which is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 4 will be your answer. Now second part is 1 by 2 power 3 power minus 2, which is equal to, this power is negative form, so what we have to do? We will reciprocal them. Means this numerator will become denominator will become numerator. So 2 power 3 by 1, and this power will become positive. So let us multiply both this power. So 3 to the 6, 2 power 6 will be our answer. Now sixth part is 2 power minus 1 divided by 2 power minus 2 bracket close minus 3. Let us see how we'll solve them. First we'll reciprocate them, because its power is negative. 1 by 2 power 1 divided by 1 by 2 power 2 bracket close power minus 3. Now what we will do, as the bases are same, their power should be subtracted. So let us take it this base as a common, 1 by 2. So 1 minus 2 bracket close minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 2. When we will subtract 1 minus 2, it will be minus 1. So 1 by 2 minus 1 into minus 3, that is equal to minus minus plus 3 1 are 3. 1 by 2 power 3, which is equal, this will be our answer. 1 by 2 power 3 will be our answer. See, because 1, if we will multiply 1 3 times, that is equal to 1 only. And when 2 power 3, we will write down in exponential form. That's why I have written 1 by 2 power 3. This is our answer. Now let us see question number 9th part of that question. Bracket open minus 2 by 3 power 3 into bracket open minus 2 by 3 bracket close minus 4, and again bracket close middle bracket power minus 2. Let us solve this question. We will write down first middle bracket and smaller bracket minus 2 by 3 power 3. See, both the bases are same, so here we will add their power. 3 plus minus 4 bracket close power minus 2. So minus 2 by 3, when we will open this bracket, plus into minus minus 4 power 3 minus 4 bracket close minus 2. So minus 2 by 3, 3 minus 4, that is equal to minus 1 power bracket close power minus 2. So here power is minus 1 and minus 2. Let us multiply their power. Minus into minus plus 2 1 are 2. So minus 2 by 3 power 2. This will be our answer. Now we will see question number 4. Find the value of each of the following. We have to find out their values. Question number 1. Minus 2 by 3 power minus 2 into 3 by 4 minus power minus 3. Let us see, here power is negative form, so we will reciprocate them. Minus 3 by 2 power 2 into, this is also in negative form, so what we will do, we will reciprocate them. 4 by 3 power 3. Their bases are not same, that's why we have to reciprocal them. Now its power is 2, so we will write down 2 times. Minus 3 into minus 3, 2 into 2 upon 2 into 2 into, this is 4 by 3 3 times, so 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 into 4 by 3. Let us simplify them. 3 3 3 3 2 3, numerator and denominator both side it will be cancelled out. 2 into 2 4, this 4 will cancel out. Minus into minus plus, so 4 4 is 16 by 3. This will be our answer. Next question, next part is third. 2 by 5 power minus 3 into 4 by 15 power 2 into 7 by 225 power 0. So let us see, its power is negative, again we have to reciprocal them. It will be 5 by 2 power 3 into 4 by 15 power 2 into, its power is 0. So whatever the base is, if its power is 0, then its value will be 1. So let us see, it is 2 times, 3 times it is written. 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 4 by 15 is 2 times. 4 by 15 into 4 by 15 into 1. So let us simplify them. 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15. Now 2 2s are 4, 1 4 will cancel out, and then 2 2s are 4. So what will be the answer? 2 5s are 10 and 3 3s are 9. 10 by 9 will be our answer. So dear student, today this much only. We will see next in the next class. Thank you.